So is that visible to you now?
Yes, ma'am, you are both visible and audible.
Yeah, so good evening.
Okay, good evening, ma'am. How are you?
Yeah, I'm doing great. And what about you?
Okay, I'm also doing well. Thanks for asking. Okay.
Yeah, so as we're meeting first time, so could you introduce yourself?
Okay, ma'am. So, first of all, thanks for giving me this opportunity to introduce myself. So, as you know, my name is Sachin. I'm connecting you from Churu district of Rajasthan state. And if you talk about my qualification, so I am doing MBBS from Dr. Sampurna Medical College, Jodhpur. It is my first year of my medical college. And if you talk about my hobbies, so in my free time, I love to play volleyball and play kabaddi and doing audio conversations, sometimes video conversations also. So that's all about me, ma'am.
Yeah, that's very fantastic. That's very really fantastic.
Thanks.
Introduction was great. Yeah.
Okay. So,
Yes. Yeah, so I wanted to know from you, like you're from the Rajasthan, and there is yeah, it is a really very great place where I've heard about the Rajasthan. So I just
okay.
wanted to know from you that like what the things are happening in the Rajasthan. I just wanted to know something about the Rajasthan.
Okay. So, if you talk about Rajasthan, so it is a very good place, and Rajasthan is mainly famous for its culture, its old culture, its old sweets and traditional food of here, and pure food of here, and and most of the Rajasthan is famous for its old traditions and old ancient traditions, ancient historical places for tourism, and now Rajasthan has become the hub of tourism, and a lot of tourists are coming in Rajasthan for visit the Rajasthan, and that is why Rajasthan is very famous nowadays. And if you talk about Rajasthan has various famous places to visit for tourism, like ancient forts. Like if you talk about Rajasthan has many forts like Kamer Fort of Rajasthan, and Hawa Mahal of Rajasthan is in Jodhpur, sorry, Jaipur, and like Mehrangarh Fort in Jodhpur, and the Junagadh Fort in Bikaner. So that's it.
Yeah, that's very fantastic. So, from hearing you about the Rajasthan, I just think that it's really a very great places where all the people they can travel and can learn a lot of things from the places of that cultures, traditions, the old ancient things about the Rajasthan. So, I wanted to know from you, like, what is the famous dish of the Rajasthan?
Yes, what I did not catch that.
What is the famous dish of the Rajasthan?
Famous dish
Yeah.
for eating.
Yes, yes.
Yes,
What is the
so
famous food of the
Rajasthan has
Rajasthan?
various, like in Rajasthan, it has different types of things are famous in different parts of the state. Like in Bikaner, their papad bhujia is famous in Bikaner. And if you talk about Jodhpur, so in Jodhpur, uh, dal batti churma is famous, and mirchi bada is also famous in Jodhpur. At where I'm now pursuing graduation in Jodhpur. So I knew.
Yeah, so I just think that dal bati is also famous in the Jharkhand, Bihar also, and in the UP. Like yeah, we are also eating dal bati, and it is also famous of here. But I just think that the famous dish of the Bihar is like litti chokha only. I just think that on like that. So I wanted to know from you, like, what do you want to do in your spare time?
Okay, in my free time.
Yeah.
Yeah, okay. So in my free time, so if you talk about my study, so my college held on like 8 a.m. to 3 p.m. Sometime 8 to 4. So it's been a long time. All of most of my days, consumed in most of my time is consumed in the studies. Sorry, in college, and after 3 to 4 hours self study. So after that, hardly uh, almost 3 hours self study, and after that I hardly find out like 3 to 4 hours for my other activities. Like for 1 hour I do audio and video conversation to improve my communication skills. And apart from this, I also love to play like volleyball and sometimes kabaddi also, because we there is a ground in my college, so we play there.
Okay. Okay. So wait a minute. Now, is that visible to you?
Yes,
Hello?
you are not.
Hello?
Yes,
Is I'm audible and visible to you now?
you are not visible yet.
Now I'm visible and audible to you.
You are audible but not visible yet.
Okay.
Not yet.